Breaking news in the world of real estate investment: a shocking new study has revealed that short-term rentals are becoming increasingly popular, with over 15 million listings on Airbnb alone. This has led to a critical shift in the way people think about investing in property. The rise of Airbnb has created new opportunities for investors, but also poses significant challenges for traditional long-term rentals. With the average annual revenue for an Airbnb host reaching $15,000, it's no wonder that more and more people are turning to this platform. However, the long-term rental market still remains a stable and secure option for many investors. Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with the latest news and insights on real estate, finance, and technology. If you're interested in learning more about how to invest in property and maximize your returns, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We'll be covering a range of topics, from the best strategies for investing in Airbnb to the latest trends in long-term rentals. With over 10 years of experience in the industry, our experts will provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. The concept of short-term rentals has been around for decades, but it wasn't until the launch of Airbnb in 2008 that the industry really started to take off. Since then, the platform has grown exponentially, with over 400 million users worldwide. The rise of Airbnb has been driven by the increasing demand for unique and affordable travel experiences, as well as the growing trend of remote work and digital nomadism. However, the long-term rental market has also continued to evolve, with many investors turning to this option as a way to generate stable and secure returns. With the average annual salary for a property manager reaching $60,000, it's clear that this industry is still thriving. Now here's where it gets interesting. A recent study has shown that Airbnb hosts can earn up to 20% more than traditional long-term rental investors. However, this comes with a range of challenges, including the need to constantly market and manage your property, as well as the risk of unpredictable income. On the other hand, long-term rentals offer a stable and secure source of income, but may not provide the same level of flexibility and potential for high returns. With the average cost of a mortgage reaching $1,500 per month, it's essential to carefully consider your options before making a decision. But that's not all. Another critical factor to consider is the impact of local regulations and laws on the short-term rental market. In many cities, there are strict rules and regulations governing the use of Airbnb, which can make it difficult for investors to operate. On the other hand, long-term rentals are often subject to fewer regulations, but may be affected by changes in the local housing market. With the average cost of insurance reaching $1,000 per year, it's essential to carefully consider the potential risks and challenges before making a decision. Now, what I'm about to tell you next is something most people completely miss: the importance of technology in the real estate investment industry. With the rise of platforms like Airbnb and the increasing use of data analytics and AI, investors can now access a wealth of information and tools to help them make informed decisions. From predictive analytics to virtual property tours, the use of technology is revolutionizing the way we invest in property. With the average cost of a smart home system reaching $5,000, it's clear that this is an industry that is rapidly evolving. As we take a deep dive into the world of real estate investment, it's clear that the lines between short-term and long-term rentals are becoming increasingly blurred. With the rise of platforms like Airbnb and the growing demand for unique and affordable travel experiences, investors are now faced with a range of options and challenges. From the importance of marketing and management to the impact of local regulations and laws, there are many critical factors to consider when making a decision. With the average annual revenue for a real estate investor reaching $100,000, it's essential to carefully consider your options and develop a comprehensive strategy for success. But what does this mean for the average investor, and how can you navigate the complex world of real estate investment to achieve success? The key is to develop a comprehensive strategy that takes into account your goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation. With the rise of platforms like Airbnb and the growing demand for unique and affordable travel experiences, there are many opportunities for investors to generate high returns. However, it's essential to carefully consider the potential risks and challenges, and to develop a plan for managing and marketing your property. With the average cost of a property management course reaching $1,000, it's clear that this is an industry that requires careful planning and execution. As we look to the future, it's clear that the real estate investment industry will continue to evolve and change. With the rise of new technologies and platforms, investors will have access to a wealth of information and tools to help them make informed decisions. From the use of AI and data analytics to the growth of sustainable and eco-friendly properties, there are many exciting developments on the horizon. With the average annual salary for a real estate developer reaching $150,000, it's clear that this is an industry that is rapidly growing and evolving. So what's next for the real estate investment industry, and how can you stay ahead of the curve? The key is to stay informed and up to date with the latest trends and developments. With the rise of new technologies and platforms, investors will have access to a wealth of information and tools to help them make informed decisions. From the use of AI and data analytics to the growth of sustainable and eco-friendly properties, there are many exciting developments on the horizon. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive insights and expert opinions on the real estate investment industry. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.